Hello everyone, welcome back in lecture series on topic solid state. In last video we have studied relationship between molar mass, then density and age length of unit cell. And today in this lecture we will solve numerical problems based on this relation, that is relation between molar mass, density and age length of unit cell. So while solving these numericals, some points you have to remember, important points you have to remember, and that is first, that is number of particles in cubic unit cell. In previous videos we have studied the types of cubic unit cell, that is cubic system. There are three types of unit cells are there: simple cubic unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell and face centered cubic unit cell. And we have also calculated the number of particles in all the three types of cubic unit cell. So in simple cubic unit cell, number of particles is equal to 1. Total number of particles is 1. In case of body centered cubic unit cell, n is equal to, that is number of particles is equal to 2. And in face centered cubic unit cell, number of particles is equal to 4. This point is very important that you have to remember. Also MCQ can be asked on this point, that is in a body centered cubic unit cell, how many number of particles are present. Number of particles present in body centered cubic unit cell are 1, 2, 3, 4, like this option will be there. So this point is most important. Then second point, that is you should know the formula. To solve the numerical problem, you should know this relation between density, molar mass and age length. And what is that relation? See here, density is equal to n into m divided by a cube into na. Where here density means, rho means density, n means number of particles. That is in simple cubic it is equal to 1, body centered it is equal to 2 and in face center it is equal to 4. Then m means, capital M means molar mass and a cube means volume of unit cell. You know that in cubic unit cell all the three age lengths are same, that is A is equal to B is equal to C, and therefore it is taken as A, and therefore A into A, that is A cube, and that is the volume of unit cell. And Na is the physical constant and it is called as what? Avogadro's number. That is nothing but 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of particles. And 1 mole of any substance contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of particles, that you know. Then next point, that is density. Another formula of density, that is density is equal to m, small m into n divided by a cube, where here small m means mass of one particle, small n means number of particles, a cube means volume of unit cell, and a means age length of unit cell. So sometimes age length is also asked. How much? Calculate the age length of the unit cell. असाही क्वेश्चन न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला येऊ शकतो. त्यामुळे हाही फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला माहीत असला पाहिजे. दॅट इज रो इज इक्वल टू m इंटू n डिवायडेड बाय a cube. Then to calculate the mass of unit cell, you should know this formula, that is mass of unit cell is equal to m into n, where m means mass of one particle, n means number of particles. Then this relation also important, that is m means molar mass. Molar mass of a substance is equal to mass of one particle, एका पार्टिकलचं मास इंटू किती पार्टिकल्स असणार आहेत, तर 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 in 1 mole. Therefore m into Na, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That is number of particles into mass of one particle. That will give you the molar mass of 1 mole of a substance. Or from that, if you know the molar mass, then you can calculate mass of one particle. So m is equal to, small m is equal to m, that is molar mass, divided by Avogadro's number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So this is also important formula, and capital M is molar mass. Now unit of density, that is also important. So rho is generally density is expressed in grams per cubic centimeter, or in SI unit density is equal to kg per meter cube. Now here formula of density is rho is equal to n atoms into m gram per mole, that is molar mass, divided by volume, that is A cube, which is expressed in cubic centimeter, centimeter cube, into Na, that is Avogadro's number of particle, that is atoms per mole. Now atom cancel, per mole is cancel. So what is remain? Gram per centimeter cube, gram divided by centimeter cube. Therefore unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. So that you have to remember. Generally the edge length is given, that is A is expressed in picometer. So you have to convert that edge length into centimeter. So always remember that if the edge length is given in picometer, expressed in picometer, then you have to convert it into centimeter, and that for that purpose you should know this conversion. हे तुम्हाला माहिती असलं पाहिजे. 1 picometer is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter, that is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. So you have to convert the picometer into centimeter. So now we will solve a numerical problem. See here, this is from your textbook. When gold crystallizes, it forms face center cubic cell. Which type of cell? Face center cubic cell. The unit cell edge length is 408 picometer. See here, the edge length is expressed in picometer. So you have to convert it into centimeter. Calculate the density of gold. Molar mass of gold is 197 gram per mole. So what is given in this example? Molar mass of gold is given, that is capital M is equal to 197 grams per mole. Second point that is given, that is number of particles that are not directly given, but it forms face center cubic cell. And you know that face center cubic cell contains how many number of particles? 4. So N is equal to 4. Number of particles in FCC unit cell is equal to 4. Then third, that is edge length is given. The unit cell edge length is 408. So 408, A is equal to 408 picometer. That you have to convert it into centimeter. That is equal to how much? 408 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter, or 4.08 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. That is equal to 408 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter. And physical constant, that is Avogadro's number, is given to you, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms per mole. So now if you substitute the values in the given formula, that is, you know the molar mass, then Avogadro's number, edge length in centimeter, and number of atoms. So if you substitute these values in this formula, then rho is equal to what? 4 atoms into 197 grams, that is the molar mass of gold per mole, into divided by 4.08 into 10 raised to minus 8 raised to 3 cubic centimeter into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms per mole. Now atoms cancel, mole cancel. What is remain? Grams per cubic centimeter. Now see here. Rho is equal to therefore 4 into 197 grams divided by 4.08 into 10 raised to minus 8 raised to 3 cubic centimeter into 6.022 into 10 raised to 20. And that is equal to, see here, 4.08 into 10 raised to minus 8 raised to 3. Therefore, 4.08 cube into 10 raised to minus 24. 8 into 3, that is equal to 24 cubic centimeter into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That is equal to what? The 4 into 197 gram divided by 4.08 raised to 3 into cubic centimeter into 6.022 into 10 raised to minus 1. 10 raised to minus 24 into 10 raised to minus 10 raised to 23, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 1. And therefore, rho is equal to 4 into 197 gram into 10 raised to minus 1 वर घेतला. So 10 divided by 4.08 raised to 3 centimeter cube into 6.022. That is Avogadro's number. So that is equal to what? Here 40, rho is equal to 40 into 197 gram, 4 into 10, so 40, divided by 4.08 raised to 3 into 6.022. So if you solve this example directly, then also it is okay. Otherwise, by taking the logs, you can solve this example like this. See here, 40 into 197 grams. Therefore, log of 40 plus log of 197 minus 4.08 raised to 3. Therefore, 3 log of 4.08 plus log of 6.022. Now, log of 40 plus log of 197, that is equal to, see here, log of 40 is 1, characteristic किती येणार 1. So 1.40 चा log, 40 चा 0 मध्ये किती येतो 6021 plus log of 197, characteristic किती येणार 2.19 चा 7 मध्ये log 2945. If you add this, then you will get what? 6698, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3.8966. And 3 into log of 4.08 plus log of 6.022, that is equal to 3 log of 4.08 is how much? 0.6107. So 3 into 0.6107 plus log of 6.022, that is equal to 0. Characteristic किती येणार 0. 0.7797. 60 चा 2 मध्ये बघायचा. 60 चा 2 मध्ये. So 0.7797. So if you add these two, this quantity becomes equal to 1.8321. 3 into 0.6107 is equal to 1.8321 plus 0.7797, and that is equal to how much? 2.6118. Now subtract these two. 3 point, that is log of 40 plus log of 197, that is equal to how much? 3.8966 minus this quantity, that is 2.6118, and that is equal to how much? 1.2848. And antilog of this, that is 0.2848, is equal to how much? 1927. Characteristic here it is 1. So put decimal point after 19. So 19.27. So here rho, that is density, is equal to 19.27 grams per cubic centimeter, or in SI unit it is 19.27 into 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to minus 3 kg, not 3, minus 3 kg per cubic centimeter. Therefore here the density of gold is 19.27 gram per cubic centimeter. Now the second problem we will solve, that is problem number 9 from your textbook on page number 27. So what is it? See here, an element with molar mass 27 grams per mole forms cubic unit cell with edge length of 405 picometer. If density of element is 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter, then what is the nature of unit cell? या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला डेन्सिटी दिलेली आहे, मोलर मास दिलेला आहे आणि एज लेंथ ही दिलेली आहे. मग काढायचं आहे काय? तर नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स काढली पाहिजे, आणि नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्सवरून आपल्याला तो FCC आहे, सिंपल क्यूबिक आहे की BCC आहे हे ठरवलं पाहिजे. सो what is given? Density of element, that is rho, is given to you, that is 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter. Molar mass, that is also given, 27 gram per mole. Avogadro's number, that is physical constant, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms per mole, and edge length is given, that is 405 picometer. So you have to convert it into centimeter, because here the density is in gram per cubic centimeter. So you have to convert this picometer into centimeter. So 405 picometer is equal to 405 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter, and that is equal to 4.05 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter, or 405 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. So that is what? Edge length. So you know edge length, you know the molar mass, you know density and Avogadro's number. From that you have to calculate what? Number of particles in cubic unit cell, and from that you have to determine the nature of cubic unit cell. So what is our formula? Density is equal to, that is rho is equal to n into m divided by a cube into n. Therefore n, that is number of particle, is equal to rho into a cube into Na divided by m, that is density into volume of unit cell into Avogadro's number divided by molar mass of the substance. Now Avogadro's number you know, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms per mole. Density, that is 2.7 gram per cubic centimeter. Molar mass 27 grams per mole, and edge length is how much? 405 picometer, and that is equal to 4.05 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So if you substitute these values in this formula, then what you get? see here, that is gram cancel, centimeter cube cancel, then mole per mole cancel. So what is remain? Atoms. Now 2.7 into 4.05 into 10 raised to minus 8 raised to 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms divided by 27. So here this 10 raised to minus 8 into 3, that is 24. So 2.7 into 4.05 raised to 3 into 10 raised to minus 24 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms divided by 27. So 10 raised to minus 24 into 10 raised to 23, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 1. So 2.7 into 4.05 raised to 3 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 6.022 atoms divided by 27. So here 2.7 into 10 raised to minus 1, that is equal to how much? 0.27 into 4.05 raised to 3 into 6.022 divided by 27. Now 0.27 divided by 27, that is equal to how much? 0.01 into 10 raised to 4.05 into 10 raised to 3 into 4.05 raised to 3 into 6.022 atoms. So by log, if you solve this example by log, then log of 0.01 plus 3 into log of 4.05 plus log of 6.022. So log of 3 into log of 4.05 is equal to how much? 3 into log of 4.05 is 0.6075. So 3 into 0.6075, that is equal to how much? 1.822 pi. And the log of 0.01, that is equal to bar 2. 0.0 आहे, डेसिमल पॉइंट नंतर 0.1 आहे, त्यामुळे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक किती येणार? बार 2.20000 प्लस 3 into log of 4.05 is equal to how much? 1.8225. So plus 1.822 and log of 6.022 is how much? 0.7797. So if you add this, all these three quantities, then you will get what? 0.6022. So antilog of this 0.6022 is how much? 4.001. That means n is equal to how much? 4.001 atoms. So as cubic unit cell contain 4 atoms, what is the nature of the given cubic unit cell? It is what? Face-centered cubic unit cell. So like this you can solve any numerical problem, and if you know any 4 quantities, then 5th quantity you can find out using the formula, that is what? Rho is equal to n into capital M divided by A cube into Na. So thank you for watching the video. We will see next time the packing in crystal lab.